Hi, in this video we'll be focusing on how you can define patterns using regular expressions in Astera ReportMiner. Let's have a look at the file that we will be working with in this video. As you can see, this is a text file which shows the business details of different companies. Notice that the first column contains multiple details which include the name of the person and some contact information. The second and third columns contain the company name and state respectively. Our goal is to capture all these details by creating an extraction template. The different details in each row of the first column add a layer of complexity. Therefore, we will define the pattern as a regular expression. A regular expression is a sequence of symbols and characters expressing a string or pattern which can be searched and matched in the unstructured document. Regular expressions can be thought of as more flexible wildcards. Please refer to the links in the description to learn more about them. For now, we'll show you how to identify all the rows where there is a contact number using a simple regular expression. Let's begin by creating a data region by right-clicking on the record node and selecting Add Data Region from the list of options. Next, click on the pattern bar to open the pattern properties window and then check on the pattern is a regular expression box to activate the regex engine in ReportMiner. Now, let's specify the regular expression to capture the required data region. In this case, the first symbol is a backlash to indicate starts with, which means that the required data starts with the character or symbol used in the following pattern. We can see that the entire data region has been highlighted. Next, put an open bracket in the pattern box after the backslash. This indicates that the required data starts with an open bracket. Notice that only the lines with an open bracket have been highlighted. Since some phone numbers do not have an open bracket as the first character, put a question mark in the pattern box after the open bracket, which will indicate that the data may or may not start with an open bracket. Again, all the data has been highlighted since all the data starts either with an open bracket or without one. Notice that all the numbers are using the character X. So, write X in the pattern box after the question mark. You can see that all the data lines with phone, fax and line numbers have been selected now. To be more precise, we can put a plus sign after X indicating that the character X can appear more than once. The regular expression is now complete. To capture the rest of the lines in the data region, let's increase the line count of the region to 3 in the region properties panel. Finally, increase the apply pattern to line to 1 in the pattern properties panel. This is because we want to capture names which are found above the line where the pattern is matched as part of this data region. Now, let's create all the required data fields by highlighting the data, right-clicking and selecting the Add Data Field option from the list of options. Rename each field accordingly. Let's preview the data to see if we have extracted all the necessary information correctly. As you can see in the data preview window, we have captured all the data that we wanted to extract from this unstructured file. That concludes this video on specifying patterns using a regular expression in Astera ReportMiner. For more information on how to use ReportMiner, please visit our documentation site. Thank you for watching this video.